That's refreshing. Hey everyone, I'm Brian, and welcome to Dad Bakes Cookies and Cocktails. Well, I don't bake the cocktails, I make them. Anyways, today we're gonna make the perfect summer cocktail, a Huckleberry Lemonade. My go-to cocktail is a margarita, but some people don't like tequila. This drink is made with vodka. Let's get started. It only has 3 ingredients that you need. The first being vodka. This is a brand called 44 North. They make huckleberry-flavored vodka. It's delicious. For your lemonade, you can make it or you can buy it. Buying it is so much easier. And the last thing you need is some mint. This is how we're gonna make our cocktail. I have shot glasses, and so do you. If you have a cocktail shaker, fill it up with ice. You can fill up a glass, put your hand over it, and shake it. So you have 2 things filled up with ice. You have your cocktail shaker and your drinking glass. Ooh, it's like a magic trick. We're gonna throw in some mint leaves. I forgot to open it. Ooh, that smells really good. Well, it smells like vodka, obviously, but it smells like huckleberry. So you can do 3 shots. 3. You can also do 4 for good luck. We're gonna do some lemonade. 5 shots. 5th shot. It looks like you just added a lot of lemonade, but you'll thank me. And I'm just gonna add just the rest of our mint in there. And now we're just gonna shake it up. That looks beautiful. Look at that, looks delicious. I like to garnish with a little lemon. See, super simple. Just kind of stir that up. That's good. There's a hint of vodka, and I say like a hint, like you can't taste it. And you can taste the huckleberry lemonade is like, oh my God, that is so refreshing. That's good. Cheers. And if you're looking for some more good stuff, I suggest these videos right here.